going to be making a fun holiday soap. This is using the Warm Flannel fragrance oil from Brambleberry, and it does smell really nice once it is cured, and it does hold that scent really well. And it's kind of interesting because I have two bottles here. One of them says it accelerates, one of them says that it behaves well. It does not behave well. So this is one of those that I'm really surprised that it does say that it behaves well, because this one does move pretty fast. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do a white layer first, and this is going to go into these impression mats. And on these impression mats, I've got two different ones. One of them has, they're kind of a knit, like a knit shirt pattern. One of them has snowflakes, and then the other one has snowflakes and reindeer. And I do know that it looks really, really good, but I want to have that layer of the white and then the color behind it. And we're going to have the natural discoloration from the fragrance oil. Now, some of the fragrance oil, when you have something that has a lot of that vanilla content in it, I think one of these had the percentage, 5%. So it's going to discolor to brown. Some of that may bleed into that white, and that's okay on this because it's going to be, these are pretty deep. I did buy these internationally. It took quite a while for them to get here, and I had to buy quite a few of them to get enough to make just 24 bars of soap. And there's a couple of them, it's not on this one, like these two are little end pieces that I pieced together to make a 2 full bars. So anyway, I'm gonna do the white first, scrape it off and let it sit so it's good and hard, and then we'll come back and do the actual fragranced portion of it. And I'm not going to do any colors in there because that's going to have that nice brown. I do have some other things over here that I'll pour the extra white in, which is kind of nice to have. So I've got like a star, a moon, a cloud, and then I've got some other holiday things over here I'm working on. So sometimes it's nice to just pour a little bit extra of something, and I'm gonna have like some soap dust to maybe make some snowflakes or something later on. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, mix this up and get it poured in, scrape it, and then we'll come back when it's time to pour the body of the soap. Now when I pour the body of the soap, because I have used this before, I'm gonna divide the batter in half so it's ready to go, and then I can quickly mix in half of the fragrance to go into one of my slab molds and then do the other one, because if I wait, I'm not gonna have time and it's gonna be lumpy, and hopefully that won't happen this time, because sometimes it does anyway. So it's definitely one of those you have to move pretty fast. So let's go ahead and get started with it.